If you've ever tried to learn Psytrance production and felt overwhelmed, or like things just aren't fully clicking, I've been producing for years under projects like Psilocybe Project, Savage, Shind, Expression, and one thing I've learned is progress comes much faster when you follow a clear path. A lot of content out there either goes too deep too fast or jumps between topics without really connecting everything together. So I just wanted to make something more structured. I just launched my Patreon. The idea is simple. Every week we focus on a specific part of the Psytrance production and build your understanding step by step. There are already 3 videos inside, and in these first ones I don't go super deep on purpose. The goal is to show you how things are actually done so you can start practicing exploring your DAW using samples and tools and just getting comfortable with the workflow. Because once that foundation is there, the next videos will go deeper and everything starts to make a lot of sense. Inside you'll find weekly focused lessons, monthly live Q&A sessions, and optional one-on-one calls to help you better understand that month's content. This isn't about random tips, this is about building real understanding step by step. That is what you've been looking for. You can check it out through the link that is in the description or in the comments. And you can get started right away. I'm really excited to build this with you. Let's take your Psytrance production to the next level. Camera's recording, OBS is recording, 3, 2, 1, I'm ready.